Hello, in front of me I've got Clair Obscur. In this video I'll show you how to set low-end PC graphics preset. In the beginning, let's go to Game Settings and go to Graphics. Firstly, lower the quick preset to medium or low. Select scaling type between TSR or XESS and set scaling mode to Epic. Or in XESS, set it to Ultra Performance. In TSR, select scaling mode as low. Now, limit FPS to 60 or 30, disable VSync and lower your resolution. Confirm by pressing F and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.